Here is the first flight non-maiden of the HK Tornado 75 6S Viper jet, flown by Joshua Stevens on his 13th birthday, April 29th, 2017, at Georgia Model Aviators. Good day, little breeze, not too bad. Josh, after you take off, just walk back. Okay? Let's see how he does. Long takeoff roll. Long roll. He's in the air. You're not going to be able to see it. Keep walking back. See if you can give me a pass where I can get it on film, because it's so small up there and the way the sun is. Another pass. We'll get you in it. That's nice. Do a little, what do they call it, air show pass. So we're flying with our usual, sponsored by Spectrum, all Spectrum gear, a DX8 radio, an AR636 6-channel receiver with AS3X enabled, programmed by Papa Stevens. Oof, dangerous. Stall speed aileron roll. I bet you that, oh my. I don't know if did you intend to do it that way?
No, but
a little bit of a lopsided loop.
I really want to.
I was going to say, I bet you got unlimited vertical. All right, we got guys on the field here. Let's take a step back. It's his birthday present. Let's see. We're at about 3 minutes. You got about 2 or 3 more passes. What do you think?
I'm going to do that.
Immelman? Well, an Immelman does not come on the 45. A half Cuban 8 would be on the 45, and Immelman would stay up high. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, you got a little wonky. Tell you what, let's bring it around and land, okay? We're going to land next time by.
Okay, you got it.
This time, if you get it on the runway, don't worry about trying to pop it through the grass, okay? Keep it clean. You can go move out if you want. They're giving you the field. Little right, little right. Perfect. Oh, the other right.
It wants to go to
It wants
the
to
left.
get, that's the, we didn't fix the nose wheel. All
It
right.
wants to go away.
All right, do me a favor. Just stop it in the grass and then walk and get it. Good job.